Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the SetVariables node and the add operator in Latenode. We're going to walk through a simple yet powerful scenario that creates an array of values. Let's break down our scenario. First, we have the trigger on Run Once node. This green node kicks off our scenario with a single click of the Run Once button. Simple and straightforward. Next up is our Iterator node. Think of this as our data source. In this example, we're using a sequence of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But imagine this could be any set of data, customer IDs, product codes, or daily sales figures. The real magic happens in our third node, the SetVariables node. This is where we build our array. We're using the add operator here, which is key. It allows us to construct our array piece by piece, adding each value from our iterator as we go. Finally, we have the Webhook Response node. This purple node is our output. It returns our newly created array when the scenario completes. Now, let's see it in action. As we run the scenario, it loops through each number in our iterator. With each pass, the SetVariables node adds the current number to our array. By the end, we've built an array containing all 5 numbers from our iterator. It's that simple. This technique is incredibly versatile. You could use it to compile customer feedback from different sources, aggregate data from multiple APIs, or even build a list of tasks for a project management system. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and flexibility. Once you've got this down, you can adapt it to handle all sorts of data aggregation tasks in Latenode. With just 4 nodes, we've created a powerful tool for building arrays. Thanks for watching and happy automating!